Hey everyone, welcome back to the podcast. Today, we're diving into a topic that might sound mundane, but trust me, it's essential, and it can actually be pretty fascinating. We're going to talk about laundry. Yes, laundry. You might think it's just a chore, but honestly, it's a mix of science and a little bit of art. So let's jump right in.
Oh, wow. So you really have a system, huh? I never really thought of it that way. You mentioned sorting by color. Do you have any wild stories about that? Like, have you ever had a laundry catastrophe?
Oh, absolutely. One time, I completely forgot about this red shirt in the wash, and boom! My white clothes turned this embarrassing shade of pink. It was like an unintentional fashion statement. And it's a lesson learned. Never skip that sorting step.
Oh no, that's like a nightmare. But, do you find that doing laundry makes you feel organized in general?
Totally. I think laundry is one of those daily rituals that helps me feel in control of my life. It's like, when my clothes are fresh and folded, I feel like my mind is clear. Plus, I usually dry my clothes by hanging them up. There's something rejuvenating about the whole process, don't you think?
Yeah, for sure. I mean, almost like meditating, right? But speaking of drying, do you prefer hanging them or using a dryer?
Great question. I like hanging them because the sun acts as a natural disinfectant, plus it saves energy. It's like if I hang my clothes outside, it's like nature is helping me do my laundry. And you know, I usually wash most things in cold water too.
Cold water? Really? That's interesting. I always thought using hot water is the best to really, kill germs or whatever. Does cold water get the clothes clean enough?
Absolutely, yeah. Cold water is great for most garments and helps preserve their color and fabric. Sometimes it's just about using the right detergent, which, by the way, I'm a huge fan of liquid detergents. They mix better and dissolve faster.
Oh wow, I didn't know that. Do you ever get those detergent pods? I've heard mixed things about those.
Pods can be super convenient, but you always have to make sure they're safe from pets or kids. And let's be real, they can sometimes lead to waste if you only have a small load. So it's all about finding what works for you.
Man, laundry is deeper than I thought, like a whole philosophy. What about ironing? Do you iron stuff or just fold everything?
Haha, you caught me! I usually fold everything, but if there's a really wrinkly shirt, I'll whip out the iron. You know, my mom always said, a well-ironed shirt can save lives. She wasn't wrong about that. It does make a difference.
That's hilarious. I guess a crisp shirt is like the secret to confidence. Do you have a laundry day routine?
For sure. I love doing laundry on Sundays. It feels like I'm tidying up for the week ahead. There's even a sense of satisfaction seeing all the fresh clothes folded and ready to go. So how about you? How do you approach laundry?
I'm pretty lazy with it. I mean, I'm not proud, but I have this mountain of clothes waiting for me. Haha. Do you think we could ever turn laundry into a more enjoyable experience? Maybe like a party?
Like a laundry party? Now that's a wild idea. Music blasting, folding races? Sign me up! But seriously, it can be about mindset. Making it fun could change the whole experience.
Okay, I'm in. Just imagine Laundry Olympics. I love it.
Haha, now that's a gold medal I'm willing to train for.
Well, thanks for these awesome tips and for making something as mundane as laundry sound super interesting.
Always happy to share. Remember, folks, keep your clothes sorted and your life sorted too. Thanks for tuning in today, and don't forget to subscribe. We'll catch you next time for more everyday adventures.
Yeah, I'm definitely subscribing. Haha. Can't wait to hear more.